Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. This is Monique Pakapala. Welcome, welcome back. We have another recipe for you today. It's been a while, but I'm back. Have been thinking about this recipe for a long time, so this is the time now. Today we're gonna have, like you can see by the title, we're gonna have some veggie fried chicken. For your information, I speak 4 languages, okay? Sometimes you'll see me speaking French, Creole, Spanish, all in one, okay? Don't get confused, okay? So anyway, we're gonna use some oyster mushroom, okay? This is gonna be our chicken, oyster mushroom. I've done it before, I like it, I want to share the recipe with you. It's very delicious. You would never tell if it's not chicken. If you make this and give it to somebody as fried chicken, unless you tell them, they won't make the difference. And it tastes really the same. So I want to share the recipe with you. If you are vegetarian or not, you're gonna like this one, okay? You see that? This is my oyster mushroom right here. By the time it's cooked, it's gonna be something different. So let me see you what we have here. We're gonna eat it with some boiled sweet plantain, bananjon. So what we're gonna have, if I want to say it in Creole, is gonna be poulet vegetarian or comme they can dit ça. It's gonna be vegetable, okay? It's gonna be poulet vegetable. Donc ça c'est ça nourrit les champignons. C'est champignons. C'est une qualité champignon que lié. C'est même ça nous fait jaune du riz noir, but ça un petit genre différent. Okay? It's gonna be our chicken. All right, let's go into it. We're not gonna waste time today. Okay, this is our ingredient. You know about the mushroom already. This is our spices here. You know I like my laurels, my homemade épices. Okay, my homemade épices. My pickles. You know about my pickles. You can dip some pickles or hot dressing here. Okay. Depend on your choice. And we're gonna have it with boiled plantain, okay, banana douce. It's gonna be nice. And then olive oil to fry, a little bit of parsley, some limes, and this is some cloves powder, okay. You don't need salt, okay? If you use this laurels, you don't need salt. I have this recipe, I have the video, how to make your own spice at home. You can watch how to make this. A little bit of parsley. That's it. Okay. 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 I'm gonna cut my mushroom, couper yo, we va trop gros. This size. Smell good. I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. C'est bon. Smell good. Ooh, smells just like fried chicken. Trust me. Smell good. Smell really good. Okay, I'm not gonna fry the whole thing. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. I can use this another time. Okay? Smells so good. I'm gonna save the rest of it, put it in the fridge. I can cook it another time. Okay? See this? So this is it, okay? This is it now. This is the final result. See my fried chicken? And my goodness, you can use either my pickles. You can make some pickles or buy it. You see, you have a choice. Something to dip it in. I'm gonna try it for you guys. I know you can't try it, so I'm gonna try it for you. Oh my goodness. Crispy. Mmm. Mmm. Guys, I'm not lying. You need to try it. I can't explain this. If I tell you, you won't believe me. You need to try it. I'm gonna put some pickles on it. Make it a little bit spicy. See? Mmm. That's not chicken. You see the texture? Mmm. Tastes just like chicken, guys. Just like chicken. Sweet plantain. Mmm. Oh my gosh. This is so delicious. Mmm. Try it. Let me tell you. I'm sorry. Guys, if I tell you, you won't believe me. You need to try this. Please, comment down below. How did you like yours? Okay? Tastes just like me. Tastes just like me. I hope you try it. See, I don't think you can see it well. I hope you try it. You can use it with fried plantain, French fries. Okay? It's good. Let me know how you like yours, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, like, comment, okay? I hope you like it. And you know what? It's so crispy outside. It's crispy outside, juicy inside. That's why I can explain that to you. Spicy, just like fried chicken. They have the pickles or dressing. I'm gonna use my food. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna enjoy my food. See you next time. Ciao.